Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yeah, Veganuary day 8 coming at you. Today we are making sunflower butter. Yes, I'll be using 1 cup of sunflower seeds, and I'm using roasted sunflower seeds, guys. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell, because why? That's how you're gonna get your what? Notifications. You see it? So I am using the Trader Joe's roasted and unsalted sunflower seeds. But guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you can get your what? Notifications. Yes, you don't want to miss out on that. What I love about sunflower seeds is that they are high in energy, good source of magnesium, also great for vitamin B complex. Let me go ahead and cover my food processor. You will need a food processor to make this sunflower butter. But all you need is just the 1 ingredient, and I'll just add a little bit of salt later in this, and that's completely optional, but you may want to add a little bit of salt, okay? See what it looks like now. This is what it looks like so far, so it's gonna take a minute for the oils to come through, so you're gonna want to keep this going until we get the consistency that we're looking for. We're almost there. All right, my healthy people, so let's see what we have. Oh yes, almost there. Now, like I said, this is not, look, see, it's almost there. So you're going to get these oils going. You do have to stop it once or twice just to scrape it down. And that is the most work that you're going to have to do. That is the most work. And it's not even work. Just stopping it and scraping it down. Easy, 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 okay? All done. We're just gonna scrape this out in our container. Okay, my healthy people, here it is, your very own sunflower butter. Absolutely delicious and yummy, simple and easy to make when you're on the run and you don't have any sunflower butter. And this is also perfect if someone has a nut allergy. All right, my healthy people, so that's it for Veganuary day 8. Stay tuned for day 9 tomorrow. Say with me, stay healthy.